Hey everyone, this is Jose. I want to talk to you today about some of the mistakes that we make when buying a home and what we can do to help avoid some of these mistakes. Now, one of the mistakes that often is most painful is the emotional mistakes that we make when looking at homes and looking to buy a home. So, one example of that is looking at homes that really do not fit within your budget. So, you see a home, it's 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, has a pool, huge backyard. It is amazing, but it's about twice as much as you actually qualify for. And oftentimes I see that happen when people want to look at houses before they have that talk with the lender to see what they qualify for. So this is one of the reasons why I can't emphasize enough. After you hire a realtor, hire a lender that's going to talk straight and going to tell you what you qualify for and what is the process you're going to have to go through in order to get the loan, in order to get the house. The other thing, as far as emotions go, is actually the opposite, where you're afraid to buy a house that may seem expensive to you, but based on what you're looking for and what your needs are, it may be the right home for you. So let's say, for example, you're saying you want a 3-bedroom home, but you also want to work remotely, and you have use currently for 3 bedrooms, one for yourself and your spouse, the other 2 for your kids. But then you leave yourself working in the living room because you did not forward think as to where you were going to work if you work remotely. So the simple choice would be either find a home that has a bonus room that you can use as your office, or a home that has 4 bedrooms and then turn one of those bedrooms into an office. It may seem emotionally unnecessary to have 4 bedrooms when you're thinking about, I only need 3 bedrooms to sleep in, without thinking that that 4th bedroom can be your workspace. Another thing that's emotional is you're looking at the house, you love the house, you love the backyard, but you're not really paying attention to the neighborhood. The house may be a great looking house, but once you start driving around the neighborhood, you may see things that you don't like. And you can't ignore things that you don't like, because once you buy the house, you're going to be there for a very long time. You're going to see those things that you don't like over and over and over. And then you're going to get to a point where you're frustrated and you're like, why did I buy in this neighborhood? So when we're looking to buy a home, we have to be emotionally intelligent, I guess is the best way to say it. Is yes, we're going to have emotions regardless, but make sure that those emotions get tied up with logic, so you can say, oh, I understand, this is my budget and I can't go above it, or this is my budget and I can afford more than what I think I can, and have a home that I'm really going to love, and or I love this home, but it's not in a great neighborhood. Or maybe this is a second choice home. It's not my first choice, but the neighborhood is amazing. All of these are emotional issues. All of these are valid issues. And I want you to be mindful of them so that you can make the best choice as far as homes are concerned. So just to summarize, make sure that you know your emotions, that you own your emotions. Hire a realtor to help you through the process. Hire a lender to help you get finance. And let's go get you into a home.